Hey everyone, the MacBook Air M4 marks another impressive step forward in Apple's lineup, building on the strengths of its predecessors while introducing meaningful upgrades that enhance both performance and usability. Following the recent launch of Apple's latest iPads, the MacBook Air M4 arrives with the powerful M4 chip, Apple Intelligence, and a host of other improvements, all at a more accessible price point than the previous model. This makes it an enticing option for both new users and those upgrading from older MacBooks. It's lightweight, portable, and exudes the premium feel Apple is known for. This subtle yet appealing change gives users more personalization options without compromising the device's iconic aesthetic. The display options remain at 13.6 inches and 15.3 inches, both featuring a brightness of 500 nits, 10-bit color depth, P3 wide color gamut, and True Tone technology. The consistency in display quality ensures that users continue to enjoy an excellent visual experience. Whether they opt for the more compact 13-inch model or the larger 15-inch variant, the most significant upgrade in the MacBook Air M4 is undoubtedly the new M4 chip, with a 10-core CPU and a GPU offering up to 10 cores. The inclusion of up to 32 gigabytes of unified memory further enhances its capabilities, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient handling of memory-intensive applications. Additionally, the base model now comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM, a welcome improvement that aligns with the upgrades seen in the M2 and M3 Air models last October. This increased memory also plays a crucial role in supporting Apple Intelligence, Apple's suite of AI-driven features. Apple Intelligence is a standout addition to the MacBook Air M4, bringing a range of AI-powered tools designed to enhance productivity and creativity. Features like smart replies and messages, mail summaries, cleanup in Apple Photos, writing tools, Genmoji, and Image Playground leverage on-device processing to ensure privacy and efficiency. The 12-megapixels front-facing camera, now housed in the notch, is another notable upgrade. It brings the MacBook Air in line with the MacBook Pro models, offering improved image quality for video calls and content creation. The inclusion of center stage ensures that users remain in focus during video calls, while Desk View provides a unique top-down perspective of your workspace, ideal for demonstrations and presentations. Connectivity options remain robust, with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and MagSafe charging retained from previous models. Unlike its predecessor, which could only handle one 6K display, the M4 model can now accommodate 2 external displays, making it a more viable option for users who require multiple screens for their work. Priced at $999 for the 13-inch model and $1,199 for the 15-inch variant, the MacBook Air M4 offers excellent value for its features. Pre-orders are now open, with shipping set to begin on March 12th. Overall, the MacBook Air M4 is a compelling upgrade that combines powerful performance, intelligent features, and a user-friendly design, making it a strong contender in the ultra-portable laptop market. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, MacBook Air M4 is well-equipped to meet your needs. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new laptop? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.